Ever thought about starting your own business, but the idea of huge startup costs held you back? Let's flip that today. I've got 3 business ideas you can launch for under $100 in 2025, and they're right in line with where the world's heading. First up, AI content editing and fact-checking. With so much AI-generated content flooding the internet, real human editors are in hot demand. If you're sharp with language and love research, you just need a laptop and a steady internet connection. That's it. Offer your services to bloggers, businesses, or anyone who wants their content to be accurate and trustworthy. Second, video editing for social media. Short-form videos are everywhere. TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts, and brands are desperate for editors who can make content pop. You don't need fancy software to get started. Free tools like DaVinci Resolve or CapCut work great. Build a small portfolio by editing for friends or even your own clips, and you're ready to pitch your skills. Third, social media management. Tons of small businesses need help managing their online presence, from posting content to engaging with followers. If you know your way around social media platforms and can stay organized, you can start this gig using free or cheap tools like Buffer or Meta Business Suite. Here's the best part. All 3 are affordable, in-demand, and scalable. Learn as you go, share your progress online, and you might just attract your first clients before you know it. So, what's stopping you? Dive in, and let's make 2025 your year to launch, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.